we're going to do our first review on a pair of shoes that released on February 16, which was last Friday, which are the nice Air Jordan 1's Gold Toe. So at first, that shoe really looks like the Jordan 1 Unions that first released only at ComplexCon in the US, and after they re-released on a wider release only at in a few retailers in the world, which Toronto was a part of, and I had a few pairs of the top 3s, and then they did this one that is the Gold Toe, and one of the side of the shoe is exactly like, one of the side of the shoe of the top 3s are exactly like the Gold Toes, but the difference is that the Gold Toes are the same on both sides, because on the top 3s one side have the white toe instead, and a panel that the panel is changeable. Like example, that one would be black and that one would be white. So first look about the shoe. They're really nice. The gold hits with like a black toe type of way, as you can see there. You have the same panel in white, the same color blocking here, but with the gold. But instead of a black toe here, there you got a gold toe. These were really limited. That was a quick strike, so there wasn't a lot of pairs in stores. We also have replacement laces. We got the black one that are already on, plus we got the gold ones and the white ones. After we got a white insole with the gold Nike Air inside, we got some black soles, so these won't get dirty so easily. I just recommend for the creasing, maybe wear some sneaker shield, or don't be careful with these, because the crease on these won't be really nice. You can see the box. You get a regular Air Jordan 1 box. I don't have too much to talk about it. You probably know it by now. The paper inside is the same as usual. And yeah, so thank you for watching, and don't forget to leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to our channel. Also subscribe to our new channel, which is Centrall, that's going to be for the new Montreal store that we're going to have here at the same place as the pop-ups. So also follow our Instagram DolphinKicks and Centrall, and check out for the grand opening this summer our store here in Montreal.